The safety bar squat is just the same as any other squat. Our priority is to keep the shoulders and hips stacked, moving our bar straight up and down with no forward and back movement, ensuring that we don't change the shape of the spine. We want to sit as deep as we can into our bottom position, trying to cover the calves with the hamstring. We want to keep the chest up and the elbows nicely parallel to the floor. Think of this as a front squat with the bar on your back. Squeeze your elbows together, push your bar up, and don't let your body be folded forward on the way back down.
That was good.